Hello, guys. First off, I'd like to introduce myself. My name's Tyler Dickerson, and my major is radiological sciences. But today I'm going to be talking about EKG machines. I know that's very interesting to you guys. First off, I'd like to start talking about the past. There are three things that I'd like to write about the past of these machines. Is about when the system came about, who came up with the system, and simple facts of just about the uprising of the machine. First off, okay, about the past. Okay, it all came about in the 1600s when William Garrett, the creator of magnetic philosophy, he was the brains behind static electricity. He took an atom named amber and lifted uh, different particles, materials. For example, sulfur. He made them stick together. Um, the next thing I would like to talk about is move on in the future. 1838, a guy by the name of Carlo Matucci. I probably failed at that ridiculously, but he was a professor of physics at the University of Pisa, and he devised an idea of electric currents, the accompany of each heartbeat. Um, he actually does an experiment on a frog leg. He touches it with an electric current, and it twitches. And he has a little recording of all his documents of his experiments with the frog. Um, okay, to move on, when it actually was officially known as electrocardiogram, it was introduced in 1895 by a man named Willem Anthoven. He introduced it. He brought it up to the Dutch Medical Association. He initially came up with five different reflections to distinguish between them and everything. So uh, let's see. In 1895, he shows his first recording of the machine, in which it closely matches the recordings we have actually today. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So now I'm going to move on to the present, the something that y'all be more familiar with. First off, I'd like to focuses of how the initial machine works, and then also I'd like to, you know, exactly what the machine is used for. So okay, first off, you have to, of course, go with the doctor, and what he'll say to you is lie on a flat surface, and he'll mark your body with he'll stick on little metal disc known as electrodes, and that send signals, and which is marked on a piece of paper. So, and also when he puts these electrodes on you, there also needs to be a specialized gel or ointment that they have, or they also use alcohol pads to help the conduction with the uh, the readings. And let's see, the test usually lasts not very long. It's usually 5 to 10 minutes long. And let's see. And now to move on to what the test initially checks for is it checks for many different things actually. Heart disease is one of them, fast or irregular heartbeat, shortness of breath, fainting, high cholesterol, and diabetes. So yeah, pretty crazy machine. Okay, also, and when it comes to the future about stuff, it's kind of difficult to find search stuff because of course it's the future. But I was researching this, and I came across this a journal, the British Heart Journal, and they uh, they were doing some research, and they also brought about 3D imaging, 3D printing. Also, I got a little excerpt of about the journal. The advent of computerized electrocardiogram electrocardiography has been of prime importance for the storage and the retrieval data, but none of the available systems of universal application or for analysis. So basically, what that is saying, this is all what I understand, is it important on nowadays is the prime importance is retrieval and the storage importance. So yeah, that's what they're working on in the future. So, and also as I mentioned in the 3D printing, the printing images of the machine, they're also future looking into that is like a 3D instead of like a paper like the normal readings is actually a computerized version of the readings and a 3D image of it. So yeah. So, anyways, and also I just want to thank you guys for listening in and hearing what I had to say about electrocardiograms. Thank you so much.